So we talked about mapping structured data in the last video. Let's talk about mapping unstructured data in this video. Try and make sense of the text and the emails and the multimedia information that we have on our servers so that the privacy is taken care of and the information is meaningfully used. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see data mapping for unstructured data. The unstructured data which has no format. Not that it does not have format as such, but it does not have a structured, standardized, organized way of storing it. A text file, a document, a spreadsheet, they are all different and your information is all inside them. It's difficult to search them. Searching requires additional processing, put up OCRs, put up NLPs, put up AI tools that can read those files. Different kind of files, right? So one tool that can read documents, spreadsheet, audio, video, social media content, everything, right? And then give you meaningful information, or they create metadata tags with each of them so that you can integrate them with your structured data and use them properly. How would you map such unstructured data? First, you need to identify your sources, your emails, chats, your PDF files, your doc files, spreadsheets, social media pull-ins, blogs. Use some NLP, the natural language processing tools, OCR, the optical character recognizer, or artificial intelligence tools that can help you classify this data. Classify on basis of certain terminologies as to what would qualify them as personal, what would qualify them as critical, what would qualify them as like this data. Normalize them in searchable formats like XMLs and JSONs, and then create a relationship between these files so that these relationships help you create whatever meaningful information or searching can you do out of it, indexing that you can do out of these files. So that's about mapping them. Example, map your emails and invoice. You get vendor invoices, tons of them on your emails, unstructured emails, difficult to find them, map them. Map them. Why do you want to map them? You want to create a faster response and compliance. And I know one of my customers has done this and have instructed us that your email subject should have the word invoice, then only we will process it. So when they now receive an email with the title invoice, they look for a PDF, scan it to identify which vendor's invoice is this, and extract some information from this invoice to fill up that the invoice has already been received so that it can be processed, right? So the example also is similar here where it says you receive an email from the customer, you extract the metadata, put it in communication log. You get a PDF invoice, scan it, metadata that you can extract, invoice number, amount, date, customer name, put it in the billing record. Gets processed. Chat log from support, you have user IDs, your timestamps, you can get the customer history. Social media mentions, username, keyword, sentiment score, you get the complete details. So that way you can map your unstructured data and extract the best possible information out of it. As a best practice, use AI tools, use natural language processing tools, NLPs, for extracting your data. Keep that insight, create that insight based on what has been captured for you and apply OCR, optical character recognition, for this scanned data. Tag each piece of information, classify them so that mapping can be easier, convert them into searchable formats, implement data indexing, and link that unstructured data with the structured data so that when you refer to that data, you can pull out relevant database records, maybe vice versa. You want to find out all the relevant invoices for a vendor which are not a part of your database. So you pick up the vendor from the database, and that, because it is linked with your unstructured data folder, searches for the respective invoices and plugs them back to you, gives them back to you. So map your data, look for personal data there, and put them in a proper structure. So that's about best practices. Of course, logging, log trails, access logs, encrypting your data as some of the very, very standard things. So that's how about mapping unstructured data for you. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.